Hey guys, today we are looking at the Blue Yeti microphone in satin red. Yeti microphones have been going on for years now and have been recommended by many top YouTubers, yet still it manages to stay strong in the market, making it one of the best selling microphones. The three 14mm condenser capsules lets you record in any situation. So here we have 4 patterns: stereo to be used for vocals, chores and instruments. Cardioid, which I'm using right now, is used for podcasts, voiceovers, vocals and instruments. Omnidirectional is best for conference calls, field recording and events. Bidirectional is used for interviews, instruments and vocal duets. Now if you see my last 2 videos, I have been using this microphone for my voiceovers. Right now I'll show you what you get inside the box and we'll go ahead and set this one up. Inside you will get over 2 meters long micro USB cable, instructional manual that gives you brief information on specifications, and we have the mic itself. There's 2 knobs on each side to adjust the position you want. Inside the top there are 3 condenser capsules, a pretty nice logo that is firmly set here. We got a mute button to pause recording, volume control for your headphones. Now at the bottom we have a micro USB slot for the power, thread mount for your broadcast boom arm stand, and a 3.5mm headphone jack port. At the bottom there are padded grips for that extra stability. The mic and the stand are made out of metal, giving that gorgeous finish, but this weighs over 1.5 kg. Which may not be the best for travelers in terms of weight. As an alternative for them, they can check out the Blue Yeti Raspberry. At the back of the mic we have gain and pattern control. Make sure the knobs are fully secure once in use to avoid any damages. So guys, right now you're listening to me from the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus internal microphone, and what we're going to do is set up the Blue Yeti microphone, record some voice, and let's see how this sounds. Right, to set this one up, all you need to do is install the micro USB cable at the bottom of the Blue Yeti microphone, and that will automatically switch on. And you can see that there is a red flashing light on the mute button. So at the moment it is mute on the microphone. So if you want to unmute it, just hold on onto this button here, and now you can see that is solid red. That means it is ready to go. Now at the back of the microphone there are 2 settings, pattern and gain. Now normally for the pattern I use cardioid for the voiceovers, and for the gain I keep it as this rate. If you want to increase the audio gain, that can be done in post-production. Now you can connect this to your computer, laptop or your smartphone. As previously I've tried this on a smartphone on my Android device and the voice seems to be a bit choppy. I'm not sure about the iPhones, but pretty much these kind of microphones are best to use for your laptop or your computer. Now to connect the mic to Adobe Premiere Pro, simply go to Edit, Preferences and Audio Hardware. Make sure your mic is on, and as you can see your default input, select that to Yeti microphone. Click OK. And now you will see the microphone icons are lit up, ready to record. Now in Audacity or any other software, to bring up the mic, simply click on the speaker icon on the bottom right. Select sound settings. From here make sure your default input is selected as Yeti microphone. This will enable the mic to collaborate with your software. This is how it sounds like here in my empty studio, and you can hear an echo while using the internal microphone on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's go back to the office and let's try out the Blue Yeti microphone. While we have the microphone set up, and I'll be reading some sentences of the instruction manual, and it's going to be recording on the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go ahead and click on record. 3, 2, 1. And I need to turn off my speakers first. Don't want the echo coming in. Right, Omnidirection means that the microphone picks up sound equally from all directions. This setting is perfect for recording a group of musicians all playing at the same time, recording a conversation between multiple parties around a room, a conference call, or any other situations where you want to capture the ambience of being there. Now you can add a pop filter to this to reduce the high-pitched sounds that you probably get while recording. The one that I bought for only a few quid is this one here. Seems quite big, but it does the job. Overall guys, I am satisfied with the quality of voice being picked up, making the voice sound much more professional when it comes to do a voiceover or by using any other pattern in the video. The mic itself can be unscrewed to be used on a studio arm stand. The Yeti microphone is a simple plug and play whether you're using your Mac or PC. Now there are other models and colors out there with different prices for you to choose depending upon your desired recording. For me, the color and this model is a complete winner. And going forward, I'll be using this microphone for my upcoming videos. So guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.